Title: The Astonishing Benefits of Onion Oil for Hair Growth and How to Use It. Introduction. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: the incredible benefits of onion oil for hair growth and how to use it effectively. If you're struggling with hair loss or want to enhance the health of your hair, then keep watching because you're going to love what we have to share. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, so you never miss any of our helpful videos. Let's get started. Benefits of onion oil for hair growth. 1. Stimulates hair growth. Onion oil contains sulfur, which boosts the production of collagen and keratin, important elements for hair growth. It helps nourish the hair follicles, promoting healthier and faster growth. 2. Fights dandruff and scalp infections. The antimicrobial and antifungal properties of onion oil make it effective in combating dandruff and scalp infections. Its natural properties help soothe itchy scalps and prevent flakiness. 3. Strengthens hair. Regular use of onion oil can strengthen hair strands, preventing breakage and split ends. It improves the overall quality and texture of your hair, making it more resilient against damage. 4. Adds shine and luster. Onion oil helps seal the hair cuticles, providing a smooth and shiny appearance. It enhances the natural radiance of your hair, making it look healthy, vibrant, and full of life. How to use onion oil on your hair. 1. DIY onion oil. To make your own onion oil, peel and chop 2 medium-sized onions. Blend them into a smooth paste, and then strain the mixture using a cheesecloth or a fine sieve. The resulting juice is your homemade onion oil. 2. Preparing for application. Before applying onion oil, make sure your hair is clean and dry. Part your hair into sections to ensure even distribution. If you're concerned about the strong odor of onion oil, you can add a few drops of essential oil to mask the smell. 3. Application. Using your fingertips or a cotton ball, apply the onion oil directly onto your scalp. Gently massage it in circular motions for about 5–10 minutes. This helps stimulate blood circulation and allows the oil to penetrate your hair follicles effectively. 4. Leave it on. Once you've applied the onion oil, leave it on for at least 30 minutes, allowing the nutrients to nourish your scalp and hair follicles. If you can tolerate the smell, you can leave it overnight for maximum benefits. 5. Washing your hair. After the desired duration, wash your hair with a mild shampoo, preferably sulfate-free. This will help remove the oil and smell while leaving your hair fresh and clean. You can follow up with a conditioner, if desired. Certainly. Let's delve a bit deeper into the benefits of onion oil for hair growth and how to use it effectively. 1. Stimulates hair growth. Onion oil contains a high concentration of sulfur, which is crucial for the production of collagen and keratin. Collagen is a protein responsible for hair strength and elasticity, while keratin is the building block of hair. When applied to the scalp, onion oil nourishes the hair follicles, stimulating hair growth and helping to generate new strands. 2. Fights dandruff and scalp infections. The antimicrobial and antifungal properties of onion oil make it an excellent natural remedy for combating dandruff and scalp infections. These properties help eliminate the bacteria and fungi that can cause these conditions, promoting a healthier scalp environment. Consequently, it reduces itchiness, flakiness, and the appearance of dandruff. 3. Strengthens hair. Hair strands can become weak due to various factors, including pollution, harsh hair products, and heat styling. Onion oil strengthens the hair shafts by nourishing and conditioning them from the root to the tip. This helps reduce breakage and split ends, promoting longer, healthier-looking hair. 4. Adds shine and luster. The application of onion oil helps seal the hair cuticles, which are the outermost layer of the hair shaft. This process helps protect the hair from external damage and moisture loss, resulting in smoother, shinier, and more lustrous locks. The natural radiance brought forth by onion oil can enhance the overall appearance of your hair, making it look vibrant and full of life. To maximize the benefits of onion oil for hair growth, it's essential to use it correctly. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to apply onion oil on your hair. 1. DIY onion oil. Peel and chop 2 medium-sized onions and blend them into a smooth paste. Strain the mixture using a cheesecloth or fine sieve to obtain the onion juice, which is your homemade onion oil. You can also purchase ready-made onion oil from your local beauty stores or online. 2. Preparing for application. Ensure that your hair is clean and dry before applying onion oil. Part your hair into sections to ensure an even distribution of the oil. If you find the smell of onion oil overpowering, you can add a few drops of essential oil like lavender or peppermint to mask the odor. 3. Application. Using your fingertips or a cotton ball, apply the onion oil directly onto your scalp. Gently massage it into your scalp in circular motions for about 5–10 minutes. This massage technique stimulates blood circulation, allowing the oil to penetrate the hair follicles effectively. 4. Leave it on. After massaging the onion oil into your scalp, leave it on for a minimum of 30 minutes. This allows the essential nutrients present in the oil to nourish your scalp and hair follicles. For those who can tolerate the smell, leaving it overnight can provide more intensive treatment and absorption of the beneficial properties. 5. Washing your hair. After the desired duration, rinse and wash your hair with a mild shampoo, preferably sulfate-free. This helps remove any excess oil and the smell, leaving your hair fresh and clean. If desired, you can follow up with a conditioner to further nourish and hydrate your hair. By following these steps consistently, you can experience the amazing benefits of onion oil for hair growth and restore the health and vitality of your hair. Incorporating onion oil into your hair care routine regularly can make a noticeable difference in the strength and appearance of your locks. Conclusion. And there you have it, the incredible benefits of onion oil for hair growth and how to use it to restore the health and vitality of your hair. Remember, consistency is key, so make sure to incorporate onion oil into your hair care routine regularly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might benefit from this natural remedy. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.